Nestled at the end of this very private driveway is this low-set home in central Wandal. Welcome to 10 Pershing Street. I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents. Let's take a look. You know, there's so much to love about this home. Low set, 17 years old, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a double lock-up garage. But what I love most is how this outdoor space, connected to this pool with amazing manicured gardens, is connected to the kitchen and the family living space inside. The design is just right. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 10 Pershing Street and love it just as much as I do. If you would love to own this home in central Wandal, give the team at McGrath a call today. We would love to help you out.